This is Joan of Arc and Holger here. Time for another Ilonggo session while we are having coffee. Coffee, by the way, in Ilonggo is kape. Simply kape. I'm having bulletproof coffee, and Holger, of course, he's European. He's having his cappuccino.
So how do you say I'm having a coffee? I'm drinking a coffee.
Gakape ako.
Again?
Actually, it's naga. So it's the going on thing, naga, kape. So coffee, kape now becomes a verb. So I'm having coffee or naga, kape or coffeeing. Literally, it means coffeeing.
Okay.
Ako, naga kape.
Nagakape. Ako. Do you need the ako? Can you say nagakape? Subong?
Yeah, you can say that informally.
Okay.
Naga kape. Or no, there's another way of saying that. Naga pangape ako. Naga
Alright,
pangape.
this-
I think it's more,
Nagakape ako.
or no, it's more popular if you say naga pangape. But it's a mouthful.
Yeah.
Naga pangape.
Pangape.
Naga,
Nagakam-
an
pangape.
ongoing action.
This is where it gets really hard.
Yes.
Nagamakam.
Naga,
Nagapangapakam. Okay, again? I'm not making fun.
Nagapangape.
It is really confusing for an old man like me.
It's a tongue
Nagakap,
twister.
nagapanga,
naga pangape.
nagakam,
That's
again,
naga pangape.
pangape. Is it pangape? Nagakpangape.
Yes, because the
Nagappangape.
root word, remember, that's why I keep
I
explaining.
can't remember.
these
All I'm
little
struggling
things.
is with how to say it. Pangape.
You can't say
Naga
it without
pangape.
understanding it.
Nagapangape.
Naga is the ongoing thing, so
Nagapangape.
you always say
So if
naga.
I'm on the phone, can I say nagapone?
Naga telepono. Naga.
Nagatelepono.
Every time you're doing
Nagatelepono.
something and it's an ongoing thing, it's like your ing. What do you call
What
that? The
about
ing. Coffee.
What was it?
Pangape. Pangape is
Pangape.
having coffee. Kape.
Okay.
Kape. Remember, kape is the root word. Kape.
This is where it's really rude word. I just like the sound and want to be able to speak, but she
So-
says, but you need to start.
I know.
This
Well,
is,
try it.
help.
Nagapangape.
I'll get you back when you ask Jim. Try it. Ich weiß ja gar nicht, was los ist. Komm
Or show it to me. Come
See?
on.
Okay. Nagapangape.
Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Ask me tomorrow. Nagapangapka.
Not even
Nagapangape.
tomorrow.
The same with the isa pa kakape.
Isa-
Isa pa kakape. It's so
Yes.
many R sounds. Is there can I
And
have
a
one more?
K.
And a K and a kb. And I'm old and my teeth are falling out. I have to be careful because
Not even if you're old.
Isa
But
pa kakape.
the thing with Ilonggo,
No.
like my Slovenian friend. Remember Maya?
Nga.
Remember Maya the Slovenian?
My Slovene.
Yes. She said, in order to learn Slovenian, you have to be born into it. And I think it's the same way with the Ilonggo. You have to be
So
born
me
into
as a language teacher, I'm obsolete. You have to be born in it. I have to plant a lot of babies everywhere. So.
You have to be born
I don't
into
agree.
it.
Immersion, yes.
Immersion, because that's, immersion from
But
birth.
it's okay to have an accent. It's okay
It's
to
okay,
say
yeah.
nga
An accent is sexy.
pananga. What was it?
It's sexy. to
No,
do
not
that.
the sexy part. The pangananga mga.
Nagapangape.
Pangape.
It's
So,
sexy if, you
excuse
know, if
me,
the German accent
nga
infused into Ilonggo.
pangape.
Nagapangape.
Pangape. Naga pangape.
Naga
Naga pangape. Well, I forget. It's true.
And then if you want some more coffee, isa pa. Kape.
Yeah, I know that
Isa.
one because I'm using it.
Isa
That's
one.
immersion part.
More, isa pa.
Nagapangape. Panakapakape. Kamakapakatakapa. It's a bit like Hindi. Kapakatakapakatakapa. Anyway, no fun. It is hard. And it takes a lot of practice. And practice.
Practice.
And practice.
Practice. Good. Good.
So,
coffee.
naga
Pangape. Having
pangape.
coffee. Having
Naga
coffee.
pangape.
Nagapangape.
Namit. See, the
How do you
namit
say it?
sound is actually easy because there's an it sound in the relief. It's not namat, it's namit. So,
How about
nagapangapi. Nagapangapi. Namit.
Mangapi.
Oo.
Kapita.
Oo.
If you ask someone to have coffee with you, you can say kapita. Ta means
So,
us.
if
Let's
I
go
want to
have
flirt
coffee.
with someone, I said, kapita.
Kapita.
Whoa,
With an
that's so
elbow.
rude. I didn't know. I thought it's
Not
all
with the
etiquette. Oi,
elbow.
kapita.
Not with a
Oi,
tap like
oi,
that.
kapita. Kapita.
Kapita.
Or do we say, excuse me,
When you say
kapita?
yes, because when you say
Can I be more?
Ilonggo,
I know they have the sing, but
the
can I
sing accent.
can I be more polite? And it
Kapita.
sounds
Kape.
No, but-
Just say kape. Kape.
and then she says,
Kapita.
nah, sorry, I already got one. No,
yeah.
but how? What's a really nice way instead of kapit? Like
Kapita. Kape.
I don't believe. I believe there is a more romantic way of asking. So
But it's-
boys
I'm-
and girls do not follow the leader in this respect because I don't think it's kapita.
I'm giving you the most simple way to say it. If I give you the long sentence,
But the problem. Now there we go. Because love is not simple. Love is complex. So you can't say kapita.
Dali, di mga pita.
Dali man ipagkakati. But dali. Dali reminds
I'm just
me.
giving you the
Sorry.
conversational version.
Let me
the short
repeat.
one.
So what did you say? Sorry. Not
Dali,
Dali.
mga pita.
mga pita.
Come, let's have coffee.
Oh, dali mga pita.
Dali,
Dali.
dali, di, come. Let's have coffee. Dali,
I show you my coffee
Ma-
collection.
dali, mga pita.
Mga pita, dali. Now, the interesting part for German is, of course, that dali is very much like dali. Dali means quick. So,
Yes.
dali.
Same.
But
Same.
dali sounds, hello,
Because it's
sweetheart.
Ilonggo.
Dali.
That's why it's Ilonggo in the sing Ilonggo accent.
So,
Dali.
here's where I get stranded
Dali,
as a tourist.
dali.
Here is where I get stranded as a tourist.
You're
I
not a
remember
tourist
Dali,
anymore.
Dali, and then Kape. So I said, Dali, Kape, Subong, now,
Dali, di.
Dali.
Come here, dali, di. Dali, di, come
Mig, Dali,
Dali,
Kape,
di. Dali, di, mig. You could say,
Dali the Mig.
come here, friend.
Sounds a bit like hip hop. Dali the Mig.
Dali, di, mig. Dali, di, kapita.
Okay, for our audience, all confusing because there's so much in there, and yet I give so little because I can't speak it. Okay, do I remember the first one? I am drinking coffee. Naga.
See? Pa.
Panaan. I don't think of that.
The root
Pang-
word, kape, it has to be there.
Pa.
Pa. Nape.
Nape.
Pang nape.
Pang nape.
Pang. Because
Pang.
it's the
Pang
pang,
nape.
and it took over the K, so the K disappeared. Nape. Pang nape.
Pang
Nape is
nape.
having coffee.
Pang nape. Where's your camera, by the way? Am I looking? Is this the camera?
Don't bother the camera.
No, it's annoying when you watch YouTube clips and they always look on the screen
Yes,
and then you
and-
look sort of silent.
And, then,
Anyway,
and we're not
Naga
really looking at
pang
it.
nape.
So look at this.
Naga pang nape.
I think this one. No,
Oh.
no, that one.
Naga pang nape.
Nagapangapi. Kami. We are
Kami,
having
okay.
coffee. Nagapangapi
Insieme,
kami.
together.
Here at
Insieme.
UCC.
Panganak. Pang nape.
Pangapi.
Pangape.
Nagapangapi.
Pang-
Not easy to do it. but you
Naga
just have to
pangape.
practice
Naga
it.
pangape. Naga pangape.
Few words at a time. That's why.
Pangap.
That's what we're doing in this video.
That's how I learn music. Well, that will be another session talking about music. Until then,
Until then, see you in our next video.
nakapangape.
This is Joan of Art. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye for now.